What's up, guys? So it's another sunny day here in Vancouver, and I am inside this building. Which I really like a lot, right? So this is, I think that's a university over there, Simon Fraser University, and then there's a few shopping areas over here, and I guess up there are some offices, but it's a very cool place. So as you can see, this is it's an open basketball court, or I can say semi-open basketball court. That's free. You can just bring on your basketball and start playing. That thing over there is really cool. I like this a lot. But what's really special about this place is there. So this piano basically is here all the time, and sometimes when you come here, you get to see really cool people just playing some really awesome tunes on the piano. So yeah, this is just it's a cool building that I like. So I thought that I would show this to you guys. So that's it. Very short video this time. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.